forget to do the exercise in your quantitative reasoning textbook, okay? Then make sure you watch the video and listen to the audio as well. We are still on week 5. Now let's start with today's work. I said our topic is fraction. We are going to open to page 79. Page 79, text 9. Now let's start with the examples. Example number 1. You can see there are 3 circles there. The first circle, second one, and the third one. For you to get the answer for the third circle, you are going to do addition. What did I say? For you to get the answer for the third circle, you are going to do addition. Remember our fraction, we've done something on fraction on different shapes, okay? And this is the continuation in order for us to what? To remember what we have done so far. Now let's start with the first example, 1/8. Then the second example, we are adding 2/8. What are we going to do? To add it together, it means we are going to add only the numerator together, while the denominator will remain the same thing, will remain the same number. So 1 plus 2 is equal to what? 3. Then our fraction is what? 8. So when we want to turn it together, that is what? 3/8. Now let's go to example 2. We have 6/10. The second circle, there is no answer there. Then while the third circle, we are having 9/10. This is what we are going to do. For us to get the answer for the middle circle, for us to get the answer for the middle circle, the circle at the middle, we are going to do what? Subtraction. We are going to subtract small fraction out of what? Out of the big fraction. Are you getting that? For us to get the circle at the middle, Auntie said we are going to do subtraction. Which one is the biggest fraction? We are having 9/10. While the smallest one is what? 6/10. So 6 minus 9 is what? 3. Why? Our answer will be what? 3/10. Now example 3. My own example 3 here, I'm not using the example 3 in the textbook because I can see that this thing is in your classroom for you to understand. Now look at this example 3. Here in the first circle I'm having 2 whole number 1/8, just like your exercise number 1 and exercise number 2, then exercise number 4 and 3. In your exercise number 1, your assignment, you're having 2 whole number 3/5, then the second circle 1 whole number 1/5, then the last one, there is no answer there. So I want to use this one for you to understand how to get your answer for those ones. Now my own example is 2 whole number 1/8, then the second circle is having 3 whole number 2/8. How are we going to get our answer? The first number, the first digit, we are going to add the first 2 digits together, which is 2 plus 3 will be what? 5. Write your 5 in the third circle. Then the fraction 1/8 plus 2/8. So 1 plus 2 will be what? 3. Then put your fraction there, 8. Now 1/8, 2 whole number 1/8 plus 3 whole number 2/8, which will be what? 5 whole number 3/8. And if it happens that they did not give you example, they did not give you answer for the second circle, it means you are going to do subtraction. But if they gave you answer for the second circle and the third circle, and there is no answer for the first circle, what you are going to do there is also what? Subtraction. But if you are not given the third circle, you are not given any number for the third circle, it means you are going to do addition. It's as simple as that. Now your exercise is on page 79 and 80. Page 79 and 80. We are going to do number 1 to 20. That is your exercise. Okay? See you in the next class and wish you the best.